There's a lie that has been going around that says that when you're a teenager, you need to leave God alone. That lie says that God does not want you to have any fun at all. That lie says that if you want to have fun, just find everything that God said not to do and do it, and then you'll have succeeded. And people seem to be believing this lie for no apparent reason. Now I'm here to just say, God is for you. God is the only way you are going to enjoy living this life. When you get to know Him, you will experience what His word calls fullness of joy. I'm telling you, my dear teenager, you have not seen anything cool yet until you get to know God. Now, why am I telling you this? For no apparent reason. The best inheritance you can receive from your parents is the knowledge of God. You see, what God does, He makes you wise. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. God makes you wiser than your peers, and living your life according to His word ensures that you experience excellence in the quality of life that you live. And guess what? You live it up here on earth, and after this, you also get to live with God in heaven. Now, what can be better than that? But why am I telling you this? No apparent reason. I just thought you should know God and keep His commands. Fear Him and keep His command. This is the whole duty of man. And why am I telling you this? For no apparent reason.